Alright, we want to show you how well our spot cleaner works. As you can see, some pretty trails in this particular carpet. Notice when you shake it up, no suds, no foam. And nothing's been done to this carpet that I'm aware of. And just pre-treating it with the spot cleaner. And as you can see, it starts to just disappear. Now, your best option for cleaning up pet spots are microfiber towels. Very absorbent. And that's all you have to do. It's that simple. Shake it up, squirt it. Typically you rubber blot. And that's all there is to it. Now obviously we're going to be doing this entire carpet with our spot cleaner, so we've got a better process for that. But just wanted to give you a quick sample on how well our spot cleaner works.